Please welcome Mayor Antonio Villaraigosa.
Good morning. Oh, that's not good enough. Good morning. What a beautiful spring day here in Los Angeles. Michael Moore was commenting that the sun in Los Angeles is not quite like the sun in Michigan. I can tell you there are few places anywhere in the world where on a spring day we'd get a sun like this, and so be it. Because this is about the sunshine. This is about putting the light on a crisis, not just here in Los Angeles, not just in California, but throughout the nation. Just to start with, today in the Los Angeles Times, it was reported 2 million more adults uninsured from 2005 to 2006. This isn't according to me. It's according to the Disease Control and Prevention Center. Uninsured people in the United States numbered 43.6 million a year last year, a 6% increase from 2005. The increase is attributed to diminishing employer coverage and more expensive private insurance. We've got a crisis, make no mistake about it. I want to thank Maria Elena Durazo for her leadership on this issue. Maria Elena Durazo is a force of nature in Los Angeles for many years. She's helped the workers of this city get the dignity and respect that they deserve. And the home health care workers are with us. I know that the janitors are with us. California Nurses Association is with us. Security officers, ACORN, AARP, all of our friends who are committed to this idea of health coverage for all. Again, I'm proud to call Maria Elena Durazo a friend and to stand with her today. I also want to welcome Michael Moore to the city of Los Angeles. Give him a hand. We were recounting all his films, and I said I've seen every single one of them. Haven't had an opportunity to see Sicko yet, but I know we're going to arrange that. So I'm looking forward to it. And I just want to say and acknowledge that Michael has played an important part in the effort to educate the public about critical issues facing us. And this new film will hopefully spark a debate and a conversation in living rooms and kitchens, in the halls of Congress, in the legislature on health care in our country. We can't be afraid to say it, and I won't. Health care is a basic need, and it ought to be a basic human right. I believe that every American, and certainly every Californian in this, the Golden State, should have access to health care, but sadly in the 21st century, we still haven't reached that goal. We know we got a problem when young, relatively healthy children can't qualify for health insurance. When people with insurance are declaring bankruptcy over medical bills. When retirees are forced to continue working because their medicines are so expensive that they can't afford to pay them. It's time for Angelenos, Californians, and indeed every American to take a stand. This coalition came together around a set of wise and prudent principles which should be the pillars of any reform effort. Insurance must be affordable, and the burden for paying it can't rest with employers alone. We must invest in our health care infrastructure in order to make sure our hospitals, emergency rooms, and clinics offer the best possible treatment to the people they serve. And we must emphasize preventative care. We're going to hear from several people today who have had heartbreaking experiences with a broken healthcare system. Today, they're here to take a courageous stand for themselves and their families. They're going to make Sacramento listen to their stories because they know firsthand that California can't wait another year for real healthcare reform.